everyone, Sophia here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel and block number 5 of our mystery quilt hosted by Pat Sloan at ilovemakingquilts.com. The link is down below. Every Wednesday she issues a new block and we are making the Sweet Dreams mystery quilt. That is going to be a twin size quilt in different blocks. It's a simple quilt, so every block is different. And today we are doing the soft sugar cookies. This one right here, which is block number 5. So if you've been watching this series from the beginning, you know that I have picked colors that are rainbow colors, so every block is going to be a different color. And actually today we're doing hot pink and the background color. So what do you need? You need to go on the website and you need to print out the instructions for every block. They are for free. You can pick whatever fabric you want, though she will give you a fabric suggestion with links. She has to make a living. And that would be it. So without further ado, I'm going to get started. As always, I'm going to cut my fabric. And then when I come back, we'll start building this block. So here we go, soft sugar cookies. We need, for the background, the same one that I've been using, which is this off-white. You need 3 large squares, and technically you're supposed to get, that's for the half square triangles we're going to make. And you're supposed to get 4 smaller ones, but I've decided to make them in a different pink instead of this color. So if you're gonna do just 2 colors for this one, you get 3 large square and 4 medium-sized square. And then matching these large squares is my hot pink. You need 3 of those. So first things first, half square triangles. And you're gonna see we're gonna do a twist on the half square triangles today. We're actually going to make them and then cut them even further so that you can get little wheels like this. You see that? Okay, so in order for you to do that, you got to start with making 6 half square triangle. And we've done that already for 3 different squares. And look at that, this one's too small. I need a different trimmer. So I'll use this one instead. So it's the same thing. You make sure that they are nicely aligned. Already made a mistake. They're supposed to be right side to right side. With my white it doesn't really matter, but with the hot pink it does. So you make a line from one corner to the other, and you're going to sew at 1/4 of an inch on both sides of that line, and then we cut them. You'll see what I mean when we get there. Here's number 2. Make sure they are aligned. Right side to right side. There's 2. And 3. So again, 1/4 of an inch from either side of those lines, cut it, press it, and then size them or square them. So here are my half square triangles. I have 6 of them, and what I'm going to do is take 3, put them to the side, and I'm going to use these to make even smaller half square triangle. So all I got to do is the same process. I'm going to draw a line. Whoops, doesn't show. Here's 1, and I'm crossing the seam. You see that, right? I'm doing like a crisscross. Here's 2, and here's my 3rd one. So now what we want to do is take another one of those half square triangle, and we're going to place it, remember, right side to right side, but instead of being those 2 colors here matching, we're going to flip this one like this, and this one goes here, and we do exactly the same thing. We're going to sew at 1/4 of an inch on both sides. And then when we flip it over, what it's going to give us is this pattern. All right, so let's get going. when you trim those, it's not just this line here that you need to keep in diagonal, it's this one too. So you basically place the corner or the intersection right here at the tip. So that way you can cut on both sides, one way and the other. And it will keep your little butterfly or bow tie right here in the middle. All right, I'm ready for assembly. So we're gonna have one in the center, and guess what? I'm gonna pick this one, and then we have one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these right here. Now remember, if you chose to just do two colors, these would be the same background color than this. And then we got one going this way, one going that way, one going this way, one going that way. I have some extra just in case. So this one is a little wonky. I'm going to switch it with a good looking one right here, and that's it. All right, so same as usual, row by row. Do this row first. One row, two row, three row, everything at 1/4 of an inch seam. Once this row is done, it gets on top of this, and once this one is done, it gets there, and we have a block. So here we go, block number 5, soft sugar cookies. So this is what it looks like now when you have all of them together, but remember, they may not be in that particular order, okay? They may be around the quilt, not in the middle. We don't know, it's a mystery. We don't know if this one goes here, or maybe that one is outside of the main block. I know there's a 9-block center, so could be it, could not be, it doesn't really matter. I'm still having a lot of fun. So this one is pretty cool. I like it. I did pretty okay on matching my seam. This one is a little bit off, but you know what? Once it's quilted, you don't see it. And that would be it. Block number 5. So here we go. This is my soft sugar cookie quilt. I love the colors. I think I did very good on this particular block, and you can tell that it's starting to shape up in terms of how the colors go together. Now remember, We don't know how she's going to place those blocks. Are they going to be together as a square, a 9 patch, or are they going to be around and we got to do something else? So we have 13 more blocks to go, plus the border and other stuff that she wants you to do for this particular quilt. I think this is super exciting. I know I'm super excited. I love Pat Sloan's quilt designs. They are easy to follow, and if you are brand new to quilting, this is definitely easy for a beginner. Her instructions are very easy to understand, and I'm showing you step by step on how to do it anyway, so there's no excuse. Get started. I want to thank everyone who's been sending me pictures. I will feature them here and there, probably starting next week. So if you are doing a sew along with me and you are making those blocks, whether they are the same color than mine or different colors, please send them to me at mygreatchallenge@gmail.com, and I will feature your blocks on my videos. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.